Hey, this is AC Lock here with SoftWash Systems, and I have Hendrik Ramos. Is that right? Is that pretty close? Yeah, I had to roll my tongue a little bit. And Hendrik is from, where exactly in Massachusetts are you?
Garner, Mass.
Connor?
Garner.
Okay, Gardner, Massachusetts. Okay, cool. And you're getting ready to start your soft washing business out there. Yep. You're starting it out part-time right now, right?
Yeah.
Yep, cool. And it's great. Got a beautiful wrap done here by our creative services team. Nice Chevy pickup truck here. This is the body style I like on the Chevy truck here. They kind of screwed up the new body style. I'm not a big fan of the new Chevy trucks. This is a good body style on these here. 1500 pickup truck, half-ton pickup truck. So you're going to add some airbags. You already bought airbags for it. Cool. And get ready to serve that area of Massachusetts, Gardner area of Massachusetts. And you're going to give them a call and name your company here. Let's scoot this way so everybody can see right here. The Power Wash and Soft Washing. Power Wash and Soft Washing. So what's your logo here? RJ? RJ. Okay. So we've got Hendrik with RJ, Power Washing and Soft Washing here, getting ready to start his business in Gardner, Massachusetts. Hey man, thank you so much for trusting us with the build on your truck. Very cool. I'm gonna do a walk around video. All right, awesome. So again, got a nice crew cab here. Okay, crew cab, Chevy pickup truck. This is a half-ton truck, so he's gonna have to add airbags to this and 10-ply tires to handle the weight in the back of the truck a little bit. But the crew cabs give you a nice amount of lockable inside storage. He's got a 6-foot bed, so he traded off here. Instead of getting the 8-foot bed with an extra cab truck, he's got a 6-foot bed with a quad cab truck. It balances out, okay, gives you the lockable storage in the cab here. And in his 6-foot bed, he's put a 72-inch, or what is our XL Generation 3 cradle skid with SoftWash Systems. In here, in the A, B, C, and D positions, Hendrik went ahead and put in a blend 100. When we say blend 100, the second number is the capacity. It has a 100-gallon capacity for carrying sodium hypochlorite in this truck. So this is a blend 100. That takes up the A and the B positions here. In the C and the D, he put a power washing module, and he went ahead and put in our bulk rinse module. But instead of putting in a power wash 50 and a bulk rinse 50, he went ahead and put a 100-gallon tank underneath there, so they both share the same buffer tank. So we've got 100 gallons of raw water underneath both of these modules here. Okay, so that's your A, your B, your C, and your D positions here. Great things about this bulk rinse module here is it gives you the ability to have a nice hand shower here for filling pump-up sprayers, rinsing your hands, rinsing your eyes, rinsing down the truck. It's great. We equip it with just an inexpensive little trigger sprayer. You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware, any place like that, and get something a little more deluxe based on what your personal preference is. Hangs right here. We actually move around the key start on these from the side of the machine over here to the front, so it's easy to access off the side of the truck. You can see everything's very clean here, easy to access. Hendrik ends up with a nice hose well right here to go ahead and put his extension cords and garden hoses nicely wound up here. So it's got a nice well here in the side of the truck. Because what we've started doing here lately is, if you come around back here to the back, is we have started stacking the hose reels on the back of the systems. So Hendrik has here his application hose here for spraying his soft washing solution, Titan 18-inch hose reel, electric hose reel. No company health plan here. This one's got the electric hose reel. It winds it up for you. And then underneath, another Titan 18-inch aluminum and stainless steel electric hose reel for his bulk rinse hose. And then, because Hendrik has the power washing module on this, he has a 12-inch Titan electric hose reel back here. And these are in the stacked formation. Stacked here, here, the 12-inch reel. And the difference between this and our Mac Daddy system, which Hendrik just has the next step down below our Mac Daddy, is one day Hendrik might add our pure water module, and he's got enough room here then to go ahead and stack, put another hose reel up here for the pure water window cleaning module. So that's normally what would go here. Up here, he went ahead and put in our flat surface cleaner rack with our nice, really pretty This is our stainless steel flat surface cleaner. It also has the ability to go hot water. So this is a hot water and cold water flat surface cleaner up here with our flat surface cleaning rack. And then, this is one thing I do love about your truck, man. Watch this. Got a nice weighted tailgate here. Very, very nice. And here again, we have our application hose reel. We have our rinse hose reel. You'll notice on ours, we do some things to kind of help you because you can't necessarily tell from first glance that this is a 5/8 hose and this is a 1/2 inch hose. So the application wand, we always make it longer, right here. On the rinse wand, we make it a stubby, we make it shorter. But then what we've also done is we've started doing these nice polycarbonate 6-shooters. We went away from the aluminum. We got high impact polycarbonate plastic here, and we do our 6-shooters. So this one is green, this one's for application. Green wash, green, see? This one's blue, this is for our rinse water, blue. All right? If we take and if Hendrik would have put on his pressure washing lance right here, we do those in red because it's the no-no blaster. We want to say caution, don't damage something with a pressure washer. And if we do the pure water, we generally do those in yellow. So they're all color coordinated so that when you see your hoses on the ground, you see your wand on the ground, you're able to grab the correct wand for what you're doing at first glance. Okay? That's actually 200 feet of gray non-marking hose here with a ball valve, stainless steel ball valve, and his quick coupler for his pressure washing wand. Then on all of our trucks, especially where you have a lot of 12-volt electric stuff, we'll go ahead and load up on 4 of our Group 24 Interstate Marine deep cycle DC batteries. And underneath here, we've added the stealth charging system. This is huge for these trucks. It has both the DC charging system here, which is the one that runs off the power that the truck makes to charge these batteries, and then the AC charging system here, which runs off of a regular 110 outlet that you'll plug in on the weekends or evenings. Really, as long as Hendrik is driving this truck, it will charge the batteries. There's no reason at all for Hendrik to plug in this truck, really ever, unless he's not going to be cleaning for several days. Because remember, Hendrik's starting this business as a part-time business. He still has his regular day job. He's going to do this on the weekends and in the evenings, especially during the summer where it stays light out there in Massachusetts to 9:30 at night. He's going to be able to go out in the evenings and clean a job or two in the evenings. So this is going to be great for him having all of this capacity in the back of his truck. Then as you come around back over here, this is really, really, really similar to our training truck. We have the 4 saddle tanks here. We call them saddle tanks because they hang on the side like a saddlebag on a horse or a saddlebag on a Harley Davidson. Okay, so we've got these saddle tanks. First of all, we have a actual soap saddle tank. They come with these great little valves here. These are these little banjo micro valves for turning on and off each source right there. And right here, the first one is our green wash tank. This is where we have our SoftWash Systems green wash. This is what we use on roofs. We have our House Wash Trinity, which is our green wash antimicrobial. Our Terra Wash, which is more of a degreaser, okay? And our Rain Fresh, which is a scent that we mix together for doing vinyl siding, painted surfaces, the exteriors of buildings. We have our Final Wash, which is our finishing soap, which neutralizes bleach and has a great high wax content in it. So it's great on windows, great on siding, makes everything pop and shine, as well as neutralizes the bleach residue. And then right here at the end, we have a metering saddle tank here. And the metering saddle tank here has our SoftWash Systems plant wash in it. Gives him the ability to turn and adjust this valve to send this plant wash through the line to the bulk rinse pump so that he can go ahead and with high volume water neutralize all the plants around the house, because bleach has salt in it. Salt causes reverse osmosis on plants. It's a little caustic, so we want to neutralize it and feed the plants so that they don't stress from the salt and the caustic nature of the bleach. All this is wrapped up in our Generation 3 cradle skid. It's all sturdy. It's what we call multi-generation equipment. And what multi-generation equipment means is, you remember back in the days when your granddad used to pass on his tools to your dad, and then when you got to a certain age, your dad passed on those tools to you, and tools lasted for generations. Well, this equipment is SoftWash Systems, is guaranteed to last for generations because we put a lifetime warranty on this skid, on the aluminum, on the tanks, on the structure. The non-consumable, non-wear items have a lifetime warranty on them. So Hendrick, if a tank ruptures in 5 years, or a piece of aluminum tears or bends, he'll be able to call us 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, and we will gleefully and happily replace those items for him. Hey, if you want to get into the soft washing business and you want to start creating a legacy in faith, family, hope, and community for your family, for your company, for your community, if you want to do something excellent, own your own business, give us a call at SoftWash Systems. The phone number is right here on the bottom of the screen. Website's here. Come visit us at a Discover Soft Wash. And as always, guys, this is AC Lock here. Go forth and prosper.